Hey parents, are you looking for ways to help build your child's resilience? Are you also looking to find out what type of learner your child is? Well, let me invite you to our next event, the Let's Get Empowered event, this Thursday, August the 16th at Studio 89 in Mississauga. Starting at 7 p.m., your family will have an opportunity to meet and engage with some of Let's Get Together's student volunteers who are all post-secondary students that are willing and want to share their stories of how they navigated themselves through their educational journey, as well as teach and play with your kids some fantastic educational board games, which you can see behind me. The aim and goal is to create an environment where everyone can learn from each other through story times and playing. Your children will start to understand what type of learner they are, and you will hopefully get a chance to see and learn how you can support them. For more information on this fantastic event, please visit our website at www.letsgettogether.ca. And again, that's the Let's Get Empowered event this Thursday, August 16th at 7 p.m. at Studio 89 in Mississauga. We hope to see you there, and let's get together. Bye.